went ahead and they said a report back then the British Empire stating that this territory, which was the Lesser Antilles where the Garifuna people occupied, was basically not territory that was belonged to anybody. That it basically did not belong to us because we were escaped slaves. And they documented that the shipwrecks, that it was multiple that they claimed existed, but according, Europeans are so smart because they document everything. They document everything. When they would lose a ship, because all of the ships, everything was accounted for, the animals, their commodity, their slaves. They had insurance for their shipwrecks, for their ships, for their slaves. So if they missed a shipwreck or whatever like that, they would get compensated for the goods on the ship. So with that being said, there's no reported evidence in any British archive of a shipwreck that happened in 1635. None whatsoever. People have researched it, and they've looked, and there's no documentation in the Dutch archives, which they said one of the ships that shipwrecked was a Dutch ship. There's no evidence of that. Then they claimed that it was a Spanish ship that shipwrecked. There's no evidence of that. So there's basically no evidence of a 1635 shipwreck.